fall asleep.
Where are you going?
Our nursery, I got a blanket up over the window so you can't see.
Where are you going?
Yeah,
Where you head back here?
because I said I usually just put the screen in front.
Where are
Whoever
you
gave me the
going?
report,
What?
said
Okay.
that there were, people poking in the window. And so, you know.
Alright, we'll come this way. Say, Daddy, no more video.
Yeah, half the people just poking through the window. But she said she had a blanket to where you could see like this much on the bottom of the window, and they were trying to peek through that part of the hole. I guess just to see what was going on. Yeah, so she said she moved the whole blanket down.
Say, alright, say night-night, Daddy. Say night-night.
I have cut this through